good to know that you're doing whatchamacallit, slingshot storage now.
I guess.
You're ahead of me again with PBs.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
I just want to be able to get heat and the PB. I have over a minute of time save.
So do I.
I have an 11:51 in sods.
11:16. 11:16.
Really?
Yeah.
You should be able to get an 11x. An 1150x.
Yeah. There's a like. There's another Kiwi on the board, so I kind of always wanted to try and beat him.
That's why you went back to Rack 2.
I don't know. I was just bored one day. You know, hey, I have the ultimate version of this game. Might try run.
Do you do shieldless on that?
Yeah. That'll do. Alright, so it's okay to start.
Frame window.
For what?
What? It's more noticeable on how. Please, game. That should have insta-clipped. Oh, don't give me money.
Alright. We're going kind of alright here, I guess.
Oh, this is doable. This is a doable thing.
Yeah, not sure when I'll do slingshot storage and no IMG, though.
No thanks. This saves a lot of time on power, but other than that. No, not hyper strike. Not rounded wrench fling. Not hyper strike. 4 times it attack you.
Don't we all?
I can save points. I can save 6.9.
Nice.
Reasons to keep playing the game. I'll save that amount of time. That's 2 splits I've been able to save 6.9. Bundle 2.69. That was slow. Sadly, I beat that goal. Oh, my average is a 6.
Don't.
You can make like 5 mistakes now, just barely keep up with you.
Well, I mean, you've definitely put more you've definitely put more time into Rack 2 than I had, because I run deadlocked as well, and Ouya.
Yeah,
And
but
ECC and ECC.
plus you can install it Commando, yeah.
Why can't you? Why can't you?
'Cause I'm bad.
No, I mean it's like if it was on if you were on, if you were on PS2, I'd understand a bit more because PS2 has lovely quick select lag, which makes it a lot harder. It saves
Thank you, Ratchet, for not turning around.
it saves me this complaint to be many times.
Doors unlocked. I hear freaking lots of ferocious growling in the background.
No, I just enter internet.
Okay, I'm finally catching up.
We could. No!
Because I am going to in a moment.
Freaking. No, Buff!
Unless I die in it, that would be sad.
Come on. Thank you. No! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't enter the teleporter! Tried to put the shield on too early, so it put me into the teleporter.
Oh yeah, I can just go
Oh,
this way.
that instant
My
taunt.
God, please.
That instant clip just
Fly
taunted me.
over it.
Come on. This shit, okay, hit
An iron scimitar.
Gonna lose a little bit of time here, but that's alright. Alright, small time.
I lost 20 items.
Ooh!
See if you.
First try fling pad.
Oh, nice. Getting that first try is always satisfying. Oh, thanks, Instaclip. Oh, cool. I always exist. Single charge rail. Seems like not that bad. Who wants to be? Oh my god, my PB is so close to best time.
Come on, Grelbin.
Oh, this is kind of accurate. I'm one split behind you.
No, come on.
Not much of a delay.
Much better. Not much better. Not better. This is a terrible whirlwind so far.
First try, blink ahead.
Very nice.
And I can't do a side flip. What's a side flip game?
Come on, don't lose a run here. Don't lose a run to
Are
Yeedle.
you on pace?
Minus 108.
Nice.
Take the
Oops.
time.
Relax.
My Yeedle is very volatile, so don't count it in just yet.
My smoke is just either horrible or amazing.
Okay.
You know,
Come on,
please.
Take that penalty.
load.
Yeah.
Hog, insta-clip.
Oh, not a long load.
Oh, that worked.
I'm 15 seconds behind average. This could actually be a hard run.
Die!
11:26.
Oh, nice.
I'm just slaughtering stuff with combos galore. Oh, frickin'
GG.
Hey, how you going with yours?
Just entering.
It's okay. This is the real Mr. Fizzwidget. Quark had him tied up in a supply closet all this time.
But not enough.
Gentlemen, you have my most profound gratitude.
It was nothing, sir.
Oh shit!
Every
Oh, what
Sorry
the?
we couldn't get the helix.
Ah, blood-sucking piece of shit!
got this.
Right. What do you suppose is wrong with it?
I don't know. It could take months of research and...
battery isn't backwards.
Imbecilic to the very last. Down, boy.
Just have to amplify the device with Megacorp's
Healing.
transponders, and that should cure the other protopaths.
Mate, and then you just fail
Clank?
to insta-clip.
Uh-oh. It's okay. I can fix her. I
Go
promise.
for a top 10 one day.
I don't know. Pretty happy about this so far.